Hello, and welcome to my channel. So let's go with another song uh, from playlist. VOX is #6, and the name of the song is Losing You, CHISA, HINATA, and JURIA. I must admit it will be now second time when I'm making the music video for this, or reaction for the music video. I was watching the music video Losing You yesterday. I really enjoyed this, and I thought mm, that I put the video on YouTube. Unfortunately, not, and also because the memory in my notebook isn't really big. Uh, when I thought that I put the video on YouTube, I deleted, and also I threw trash can in the notebook. So unfortunately, it's gone, like the first reaction. But it will be great to see the song again, and I hope that that isn't a problem for you. Sorry about this, because this week I have got my thoughts a little somewhere else. I must admit, because I'm changing work, and they are uh, now looking. They must look for new person, yeah, and I need to leave for me as soon as possible because in that new work uh, they also need me as soon as possible. So some difficulties now. So I hope that everything will be okay. I hope. And sorry about this that I'm talking. Yeah, so this is the reason probably why I thought that I put the video on YouTube, but I deleted that. So it will be my second reaction, and I will be happy to listen that again because the song is really nice. Yeah, it's without the subtitles, but it was in English, so it will be okay. And yeah, I'm recording, and if you are watching my reactions for XG, thank you very much. Also, please write me the recommendation for another day songs, and I will try to make reaction for that as soon as possible. So let's go. Yeah, okay. I thought that it's commercial, sorry.
Shouldn't think I have no time to think. I don't even ask you where you've been. I know you with some other chick. All these broken promises. You from now I know you is. I'm so done with this. You're only giving 10%. Always make tries but never let you down. That's the reason you were keeping me around. I couldn't see myself without you, but look now. I tapped out, I tapped out. I'm happy on my own. It's the first time I finally feel at home. It's giving me everything I need. I'm happy that you're gone. For the first time, I finally feel done. But I can't. I put you straight to busy town. And with the games I wait to grow. But then you're the one who's wrong. I'm the breaking Friday. You don't know how you late. I'm so done with this. You only give me 10%. Always leave trust and never let you down. That's the reason you keep me around. I couldn't be myself without your mother. Top down, top down. finally feel so much better. I don't need you, I'm good by myself. Gave you heaven, now it's gonna hell. Heard you're missing me, oops, oh well. Try to find another one like me. First time I'm feeling strong.
Yeah, another great song. Another great song by XG. Really. Yeah, so one more time, thank you for the recommendation to watch VOX. I really enjoyed these 6 songs and the music videos. It was really great, and thanks to these music videos, I realized that they are really, really talented. That they can change their like normal um, how to say it like their like style of the songs to totally different, and it's also perfect. So I hope that you enjoy this, and if you are watching one more time, thank you very much. And if you are still waiting for your recommendation for your song, please write me that to the comments. So see ya.